This video will show you how to create a template like this one that will allow you to just type two letters, press F3 and create automatically a template that has an automatic sequence. This is actually a caption, and then you will be able to cross-reference it like that. And when you want to update it, well, for example, you could put the cross-reference to the other equation, and if you update it, it appears. So let's start. First of all, start by inserting a blank text box. Then, since you are probably in a blank document, or you may not, you will have to change the heading styles so they have a multi-level list applied to them. You will have to go to define a new multi-level list and link the first level to heading 1, like I have here. That will be just enough to put a number to the multi-level list. Now, we will have to put a caption inside here. Well, we'll have the parentheses, but we'll have to put a caption, and this is going to be a label with equation. So when you go to cross-reference, you will have a new tab called equation. Okay, let's go back. Insert the caption with an equation, exclude the label, and you can put the heading of 1. So it puts 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and in the second part it's going to be 2.1, 2.2. You understand me, right? So let's put it. Our Word is bad at doing this, but it created a new text box. Doesn't matter. We still have our text box like we wanted. Now, apply the style no spacing. This is basically like normal, but with no spacing. In the paragraph, put 12 points. This is going to be necessary for correct alignment. Okay, now put the parentheses at the start and at the end, like in LaTeX. And then for this text box, change the shape, layout and properties, put 0 margin to everything. With no spacing, this should already put to 0. And then resize the shape to fit the text and wrap the text, so you have a very small box. Now, in the same line that you have the anchor, so this text box is anchored to this line, you'll have to insert an equation. Shift equals or Alt equals. In Spanish keyboard is Alt Shift equals. So you have the equation here. Since there's already text in the line, well, actually this anchor is considered like there is an object. It's not going to be aligned, it's not going to be justified. So you'll have to align it to the center. And finally, this text box, you have to change its layout options and align it to the right column. This is because if you have a multi-column page, you want to be aligned to the right column, and the alignment to the center of the line. Unlock the anchor so it stays with the text. And now you see that we have aligned it to the right margin. Perfect, that's great. Now, how do we save this as a template? You have to select the current line. So the current line is between this and this. So you have to click outside the margin. You see the margin in the top side. You have to select outside the margin, only one click, and it's going to select the anchor and the content. And then you go to Insert tab, Quick Parts. You have to save selection to Quick Part Gallery. Name it EQ. That's very fast to remember. You can save it in normal.m, so you will be able to place this in any Word document that you have. And insert content only. And press OK. Now, when you type EQ and press F3, this gets inserted. And for example, if you put a very big matrix, let's put a very long matrix. This is centered. Now, as a final step, I will tell you the drawbacks of this method, and the main drawback of this method is the following. Imagine that here I insert F3, I insert my template. You see that now it's 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. But I have inserted a couple more equations. All of them are not getting updated. Even if you select them and press F9 to update them, F9 is the key to update this selection. So this has to be updated. It's like in a table of contents. You have this button. It's not getting updated. That's a problem with Word, because it does not update text boxes and you have to do it manually. There is a solution though. So imagine that you want to reference, okay, now it says here 1.4, 1.3, sorry, this equation here. And because we have inserted a lot and we want to get them updated all, but maintain this cross-reference as is, I recommend you to go to File, Options, Display, and update fields before printing. So when you go and export it to PDF, all the fields get updated automatically, and now this has become updated to the equation that I had named before. And that's it.